Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zapier OAuth sign-in easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin authenticating with Zapier using OAuth, navigate to the Zapier website and create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, go to the My Apps section located in the dashboard. In the My Apps section, click on the Connect a New Account button. You will see a list of various integrations available. Search for the app you wish to connect with Zapier using OAuth. Click on the app name that appears in the search results. A pop-up window will appear asking for your OAuth credentials. Enter your email and password associated with the app you are connecting. Upon entering your credentials, click the Authorize button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected back to Zapier. A success message will confirm that your app is connected. You can now see your newly connected app in the My Apps section. To ensure everything is working smoothly, try creating a simple Zap that utilizes the newly connected app. Select the newly connected app as the trigger or action in your Zap. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup of your Zap. Test the Zap to verify that the authentication is working as expected. With that, you have successfully authenticated with Zapier using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.